The FitFinder Upgrade Kit from Microjig makes our popular half gauge even more versatile in your shop. The P4 adapter in the kit replaces the P3 pointer on your existing FitFinder. The adapter allows you to attach the 4 specialized pointers that come in the kit. The P5 inside tip is pointed to center on V's, coves, and other small openings. The P6 outside tip matches the P5 for finding the centers of points. And it excels at centering on router and drill bits. P7 is a hardened steel marking wheel that transfers dimensions directly to your stock with a sharp, clear line. And P8 shows the center on top of the tip, allowing for highly accurate setups between a fence and a cutting edge. You can find the upgrade kit and the original FitFinder half gauge at your local woodworking retailer, online, or at microjig.com.